Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of optimizing your WordPress website for mobile users. Mobile responsiveness is crucial to ensure a seamless browsing experience for your visitors, whether they are using iOS or Android devices. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to make your WordPress site mobile-friendly. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard using your credentials. Once inside, navigate to your site by clicking on Visit Site from the dashboard. This will display how your website currently appears to visitors. To begin customizing, locate and click the Customize button at the top left of the screen. This action will open the WordPress website editor, where you can modify various settings to enhance your website's layout, especially for mobile users. Within the customization panel, you can adjust typography, colors, menus, widgets, and even site identity settings. Additionally, you can preview how your website looks on different devices, ensuring a responsive design. Make the necessary adjustments to improve readability and usability for mobile visitors. The first step is to switch to the mobile preview mode. Look at the bottom left corner of the customization panel. You will see three icons. Click on the rightmost icon, which represents the mobile view. This will show you how your website looks on a mobile device. Start by adjusting the header section to ensure it doesn't take up too much space on your web page. Click on the header and modify its height to make it more compact while maintaining readability. Then, navigate to the design settings to customize the styling to match your website's theme. Pay attention to the navigation bar. If it looks too large or overwhelming, consider reducing the font size or simplifying the menu layout. A sleek and user-friendly option is the hamburger-style menu, which keeps the design clean, especially on mobile devices. This type of menu helps improve user experience by minimizing clutter while still providing easy access to important pages. Additionally, ensure that the logo and key navigation elements are aligned properly for a balanced appearance. By refining these details, you can create a professional, visually appealing header that enhances navigation and keeps visitors engaged without taking up excessive space. Now, let's customize the navigation menu to enhance its appearance and usability. Start by clicking on the menu section to access the settings. Adjust the icon size to ensure it is visually balanced with the text, making it easier for users to recognize. If your menu items appear too close together, consider increasing the padding to improve readability and create a more spacious layout. Additionally, you can modify the border radius to give the menu a sleek, modern look. Don't forget to adjust the colors to align with your site's overall design and branding for a cohesive user experience. Next, check the page layout to ensure it is optimized for readability and usability. Click on the Page section and choose an appropriate container layout. A standard layout is typically the best option for mobile devices, as it ensures content remains well-structured and visually appealing. However, you can experiment with boxed or full-width styles to determine what works best for your specific design. Pay attention to text width, as overly wide lines can make reading difficult. Keep the content within a comfortable width to enhance readability and user experience. Adjust spacing and alignment as needed for a clean layout. Now, let's move to the blog section. If you have a blog, ensuring a structured layout is essential for readability and engagement. Start by clicking on Blog in your website editor and selecting a clean, simple layout that aligns with your overall theme. A well-structured design makes it easier for visitors to navigate and consume your content. Additionally, adjust the font size and line spacing to enhance the mobile reading experience. Ensuring proper formatting on mobile devices improves readability, reduces eye strain, and keeps readers engaged with your content for longer periods. Another key element is the sidebar. In mobile view, it is best to remove or reposition the sidebar so that it does not interfere with content visibility. You can choose a boxed layout with a minimized sidebar or completely disable it for mobile devices. Always remember to save your changes frequently. Click Publish at the top of the customization panel to ensure all modifications are applied. If you are using Elementor, you can easily optimize your site for mobile devices. Start by clicking Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Once inside, navigate to the bottom left corner and select Responsive Mode. This feature allows you to preview and edit your site across different screen sizes. Switch to the mobile view to make necessary adjustments for a seamless user experience. You can modify text size, adjust image alignment, and tweak padding to ensure everything looks visually appealing and functions well on smaller screens. These adjustments are similar to those available in the WordPress customizer, but provide greater flexibility in Elementor. Optimizing for mobile ensures better usability, improved performance, and enhanced user engagement. Once all changes are made, click Publish and exit the customization panel. Finally, revisit your site in mobile view to ensure everything looks good. Testing on multiple devices is always a good practice to check responsiveness. Another important aspect of mobile optimization is page speed. A slow website can result in a poor user experience. To improve load times, install a caching plugin like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache. These plugins help store a static version of your site, reducing load times for returning visitors. Additionally, optimizing images by compressing them with plugins like Smush or Short Pixel can significantly improve performance. It's also essential to use a lightweight theme. Some WordPress themes come with unnecessary features that slow down your site. Choose a responsive and well-optimized theme like Astra or GeneratePress to ensure fast performance on mobile devices. Minimizing the use of large fonts and unnecessary animations can further enhance the mobile experience. While animations may look good on desktops, they can be disruptive on mobile screens and slow down the website. Keep your design simple and focus on usability. Another critical step is ensuring that buttons and clickable elements are easily tappable. On mobile screens, buttons should be large enough for users to tap without zooming in. Ensure proper spacing between clickable elements to avoid accidental clicks. Additionally, test your website using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. This free tool analyzes your site and provides recommendations for better mobile optimization. If there are any issues, it will suggest specific improvements to make your site more user-friendly. For websites that include forms, optimizing the input fields is essential. Ensure that form fields are large enough for mobile users to tap and enter information easily. Using autofill and simple input options like drop-down menus can improve the experience further. Another effective strategy is implementing accelerated mobile pages, AMP. AMP is a Google-backed project that helps create faster loading pages for mobile users. Installing the official AMP plugin can help speed up your website significantly by delivering a stripped-down, fast version of your pages. You should also focus on reducing the number of pop-ups on mobile devices. While pop-ups may be effective on desktops, they can be frustrating for mobile users, often blocking important content. Instead, consider using less intrusive options like slide-ins or sticky banners for promotions. After making all these adjustments, perform regular tests on different devices. Open your site on various mobile screens, including both smartphones and tablets, to ensure the design remains consistent. If possible, get feedback from users to see if they face any usability issues. That's how you can optimize your WordPress website for mobile devices. By making these adjustments, your visitors will have a better browsing experience, leading to higher engagement and conversions. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you're serious about boosting your website traffic by optimizing the mobile traffic, I recommend using GeneratePress. It's incredibly fast and mobile responsive out of the box, and it can seriously help you 10x the number of visitors to your website. The link is in the description below.